In this video, we will learn how to use the Publish All feature. We created the Publish All feature mainly for situations where you have created one single post, but you want to publish it in multiple social media channels in one go. For example, in Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. I have added these 3 social media channels into my Post Magic system. Now, if I create any post, that post can be submitted to all 3 of those accounts at the same time. Now, let's create one post and then let's submit it to all of these 3 channels and see how it works. First, let's create one post. Let me go to the file manager first and let me choose one of the images I have created earlier. I'm choosing this one. Let's click on Add Now. Now we need a title. Let's say, Hello World. And now let me choose each of these accounts by clicking on these checkboxes. Or we can simply click on this one checkbox and it will select all of them. Now I can simply click on the post button and this post will be posted in all of these 3 social media accounts. You can also make a schedule. To do so, simply click on this checkbox and in this area here, you can set the schedule for your post. But in this particular demonstration, we will not schedule the post. We will just make a simple one-time post. So let's click on Post. You can see that the post publishing process has been successful. Now let's go to the Reddit account. Here in my Reddit account, you can see that this post has been created. Let's go to Facebook and refresh, and we can see that on Facebook this post has been created as well. Finally, let's also check Twitter. You can see the same post in my Twitter account as well. So now we know how we can create a post and how to use the Publish All feature. Thanks for watching.